How much gold can you buy for $500? Let's find out. I just ordered some. It actually came in really fast. Check this out. Spent $495. Tried to not to go over $500, so there you go. I actually don't have gold bars like that, so that's kind of nice. I like to mix them up. Volcambi Susie. So yeah, looks like I have a few different sizes. Look how tiny this is. Wow. So we'll start with the bigger one, of course. This is the tiniest bars you could buy, and guess what, the premium on these things are really high. So this is 2.5 grams. I really love this logo. Each bars are usually really different, and it tells you the 4/9 over here, 2.5 grams, fine gold, and a serial number and the brand. And this is $168 for this 2.5 grams. So not bad, beautiful. Gold is very shiny. Okay. Then also I got this 1 gram of gold. Pretty much the same thing, except a little bit smaller. The premium will be higher, $76 for 1 gram. So 2.5, 1 gram. Look at the difference. It's quite a bit of difference. You could definitely see and enjoy this little skinny bar than this one. Even the logo is bigger. And the bigger the bar you get, the little bit wider it is, it still gets skinny, and the heavier it is. Then palm, everyone's favorite. I really like this card, honestly, way better. The other ones seems to be, I don't know, easily faked. It's kind of cheap, I don't know, cover. These ones are way cooler. As you can see, it has even protective screen, and it has all this information. You can peel this off and it will be very shiny. I'm not going to do that. But yeah, people collect them. I like to have at least one of each, because after a few years they will change the color of it, or maybe even design as a whole. This one has a serial number on this side, and it says 1 gram fine gold 4/9. For this one I paid $79, which is $3 more. But people do pay for this type of card a little bit higher premium versus this ones, I think. But yeah, they're both pretty awesome in my opinion. The cheaper the better if it's investment. But if you want to collect it, that's another way to go about it. So I kind of want to look at this one. This is so tiny. This is just a little thicker. This is still 1 gram of gold. Look, camera cannot focus, it's so tiny. This is also 1 gram of gold. And this is also 1 gram of gold. You see, there might be different sizes, but the thickness what makes it different. 50 cents 2021. So you can go to the store and buy something as a 50 cents, but don't, because it's a lot more expensive. So it's actual real money in Canada spendable. $72 for this little thing. So it's actually way cheaper than the other two. So I should have bought a lot more of these ones because it's cheaper. But these ones, you can actually hold them. This one seems to be easier to lose. And one more coin over here. This is 2021 Austrian Gold Philharmonic. 1/25 ounce of gold and €4. So this is so unique. These things are pretty popular. Let's flip it over. And you have all this like musical instruments on this side. I know that's somewhat collectible. I paid for this thing $100 and I come up close to $500. I had to mix it up and match to get to almost exactly $500. So yeah, I did that about 8 months ago and it was a lot more. The gold went up since then quite a lot, so I wish I had a lot more back then of investment of a gold, but you know, it fluctuates. You know, sometimes it's just fun to buy once in a while. Yeah, there you go. That's how much you can buy that much gold in 2021 beginning of the year for $500. In case you were wondering, and if you didn't, you still now you know.